Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and today we have another unboxing for you. It is of the Shylock 18-inch ring LED light. This is the light we're going to be using for future recordings. It was very cheap on Amazon, so I'm kind of keen to see what we get when we open it up. So it's a big box. We got the trusty knife. I'm just going to leave that there. Okay, this is the box itself. It's light, it's big, but it's light. So I'm just gonna keep that on the table here and just rip right through. Some of the cuts have been torn, but I think that's more baggage mishandling than anything else. So I'm just gonna open that up. It's opening up. And we're supposed to get a tripod with this, so I'm hoping this is a tripod. It's supposed to be not very strong, but it feels kind of strong, kind of sturdy. I'm gonna leave that there for now. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic though. So we're just gonna keep that there. All right, and I'm gonna dump this right about there. Okay, cool. Next is I think this is the light. Yes, this is the light. It's already open. That's another great thing. But I think it's just doesn't have like a seal or anything. It's just literally like there's no tape or anything of the sort holding it together. The bottom has these slits as the usual boxes, right? This is the ring fill light and beauty face. Oh, my face is gonna get so beautiful now. And it's gonna have a night core extreme thing and multiple color temperatures. That I did see, and I'm looking forward to testing that out. So it is 26 centimeters. When I ordered it said 18-inch, so I don't know if that's the same conversion, but that's something for you math geniuses to figure out. So this is the light itself. It's pretty big. I thought it was, oh shoot, that is a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of stuff. So that, I'm gonna look in. Alright, that's empty. So you know what we're gonna do with that? Every time. It's like I don't learn. Alright, so this is the mobile holder. Right, the smartphone holder for the tripod. It's a useful thing to have. It extends on one side, so depending on the size of your phone, unless it's like a humongously big, almost like a phablet phone, I think you'll be good. So you're set for that, right? So I'm gonna leave that next to the tripod. The knife, I think we're pretty much done with for now, anyway. All right, this one seems to be some sort of connector. Oh, it's a swivel connector for the tripod. I think this goes like that. Oh, it doesn't go like that. Fuck does it? Oh, this is maybe for the ring. We'll figure it out. It's like a port. It's got a swivel, so that's cool. I'm hoping this for the light and it lets swivel. There's a little bit of resistance in the swivel. It's not that big a deal, but it could be a problem, like if it'll come apart or not. It does feel pretty sturdy though, I do have to say. Oh, you know what? You loosen it and have some more. So that's pretty cool. You can tighten it in if you're happy with it. That's awesome. I'm gonna leave that here because it's more of a tripod thing. And this is the light. This is the bulk of the package. It is very light. Like it honestly feels like it's made of paper. It's not. It's made of plastic. Again, plastic sheet goes in there. It's pretty cool looking. It's pretty big. It feels very flimsy though, because it's plastic. It's very light. I see some of the things that make sense. Is that where we screw that in? I think that's where we screw that in. Okay. Now we don't know where the others. Oh, that's not where we screw that in at all. There you go. All right. So I think it goes over here, right? So then, yeah. So this is the light itself. It is powered by USB. I believe it's 2.0. It does have these controllers. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not very bright. It's got a plus, a sort of a looped arrow button. It's got a red button. I think that's the power one. And it's got a minus. So I'm guessing the plus and the minus is for the brightness of the light, and obviously the power to switch it off. And I don't know what this loop thing is. I wonder what that is. So we're gonna find that out. So I'm gonna quickly attach all these things, and we will see how this works. Okay, So now we got it all set up. If you guys have any trouble setting it up, do let me know. I will try to help you guys out. I plugged it into my PC. You can't see the PC there, but I plugged it into the USB port. This light here has lit up. So I think the thing we can do now is like press that button. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little scared. This thing's pretty close to my face, so I'm just gonna. All right, that is bright. That is bright. So if you want like a circle light, it's a good one. Oh wow, that's bright. It's I don't see any dead zones on the light. I can't really look at it, but it's very bright. If you want to run like a home studio thing, like I want to do, basically to make videos and other stuff, that thing is good. That's very bright. So now I'm gonna dim it. That's cool. It's very dim. It can even have like this almost night light effect. That's great. I mean, it's useless if you're looking to make content, but other than that, you know, it's pretty cool. So you can go even brighter. I think the brightest. Yeah, it's sloping. This thing here, this ball knob thing, it's not as tight as it should be. You can tighten it. It still kind of slopes on the phone, and my phone is a bit heavy. I'll give it that. So once it has that weight, it just slips right in. So we're gonna now dim it up a bit. I think this is as bright as it goes. Yeah, it's as bright as it goes. That's pretty bright. That's a lot brighter than I thought. But I guess you guys can be the judge of that. It is getting dark in here in general, so you might see a bit of a noisy, grainy thing, but that was a lot brighter than I expected. So I'm gonna dim it a little bit, and I'm gonna switch this. Oh, cool. It's got the warm light. That's cool. Okay, so it's got the warm yellow light, and I gotta say, guys, I am thoroughly impressed, except for that little thing, which I don't think is as strong as it should be, to hold on to it, like that swivel. It's got, that arm is pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to hold my phone. My phone, the Redmi Note 8 Pro, it's one of the heavier phones I've ever used. So I am a mad props for that. I don't know if I'll put my camera in there. I think what I'll do is I'll actually arrange the light around my camera, put it in the same height. This height actually goes a lot taller. I have it reduced, right? Because I wanted to connect it to my PC. But let's see if I can take it up a bit, right? There you go. It goes way tall. I'm guessing it's out of the view of the camera, but it goes way tall. The whole thing, I think it goes up to about 3 feet, I want to say. I mean, I'm sitting down, my head is at the base of the light, so it's pretty good in my opinion. I think that's pretty nifty thing to have. The tripod itself, I wasn't expecting good quality really, or any decent quality at all. But you guys can see it, the light is bright and it gets really, really bright. The warm not so much, but it gets even warmer. That's awesome. Okay, I did not expect that. I thought it was just the two tones. This is warm yellow light if you want. You can do that. That thing is very bright. Very, very LED, very fluorescent kind of deal. But I like it. I like the fact that it's just a click away. I'm going to break the clicker now. Just doing that. But that's it for me. I think that's going to be... I'm going to leave the light on. Be all like fancy. Oh my god, my eyes. But yeah. That's going to be it for me. Thank you for watching. This is RD Techie, and we're going to do more unboxings using this light, so we don't have to worry about natural light too much. I still like having natural light, but you can't depend on it, right? Sometimes you want to unbox something and it's in the evenings, and you just can't do it. So we're going to be using this to do that. Probably not in this tint, because it's a very sunny tint. It's like a dusk flavor to it. But well worth the money. The price will be listed, the link will be listed below, and if you wanted me to unbox something in specific, let me know. I can get in touch with the company or even try and buy it if it's something I'll use, right? So that's RD Techie's unboxing video of the Shylock 18-inch ring light, and I gotta say I am very, very impressed. I did not expect that brightness and 3 sets of colors. That is super cool, all in this easy to use controller. If you're a streamer, content creator, if you want to make YouTube videos for YouTube, if you want to just have photo shoot sessions, give that a look. Like I said, the price very affordable, well worth the price. And that's it. Have an awesome day. Wash your hands, stay home, and stay healthy. I'll catch you in the next one. This is Artie Techie. Say goodbye. I love this button.